Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will understand in case you are not receiving the leads in your inbox, what are the common things that you need to check from your side. So let's get started. Simply open any of the bot where you are not getting leads and check the flow first, if the flow is connected correctly or not. For example, I can see this is not connected. I will connect it with this and now we will test it out if we are getting the leads or not. So I have this testing environment in with me. Refresh the chat. Welcome to this, and it is asking me to share my name. Let's say I provide my name as test. Now it will ask me the phone number. I provided the phone number. Now it is asking me to provide me an email ID. So let's say I will provide test@test.com, for example. Alright. Now it says our team will be reaching out to you. Let's see if we got this lead into an inbox or not. I will open the inbox and you can see here, alright, you can see here test, email ID, phone number. Yeah, we got the lead here. So this is how you can check if you're getting the leads here or not. And if you're not getting the leads, make sure to check the flow. And in case if it is a social bot, make sure it is connected with the correct configuration. And in case if you face any issue regarding the same, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.